safe yung bat-batini dito. Kaunting ano lang yung ano. Dito ito sa kiman sa'yo tama? Kalangki. Kasi Bazar. Safe siya dito guys. Ha? Ito pura ito ki hunday na ajay saman sa ta. Guys, you're safe. Hindi sinira dito guys sa ano Kalangki oh, ang ganda dito. Ramro basa ya. No more tension guys. We still have but need to shop. We have so many things here guys. Sale. Yan guys. Ang saya ko guys. Sa totoo lang. I'm very happy that this mall was not destroyed by the GNC guys. I still can come here and do some shopping. I'm very happy guys. But Batini is still survive. One shop is survive. Can you see guys? We are safe. You matari jala sana eh. Guys, dito jala sana ekdam safe. Okay guys. Thank you. Thank God. It's still safe. We are safe here in Batini. We are safe, ha? Guys. Ramro? Kusto sa yan na dyan ako. Kusto sa didi? Ramro sa? Kusto lagi tawa. Arroyo. Batini dyan ay di sa Chakrapat. Bauda kusto sa? Man ma kusto sa? Ekdom dugi laksa ni? Dugi lagi eh? Man ma eh? So actually, Batini lost around Kuti Korat loss hunsa guys, you know, but still, here is so many things. I think they bring all the things here. Oh my God, guys, you see, they have a lot of food here. I think all the food they bring here in this mall, guys, you can see it is still full. You can see, guys, I really happy that. Our shop here in Batbatini still survive. This is the survivor shop in Kathmandu, guys. You know, I still can buy things that I need, guys. There's nothing to worry. Okay? Ikot-ikot ako, guys. Actually, I want to buy something for my laundry. Oh, still here, guys. Oh, here. Survive our Batini guys. We are so deep. I think guys, they bring all the things here. You can see so many stock here. Look guys, there is a lot of things to buy here in Batini. I don't know where is my husband guys, but I'm still here. Seeing so many things. You know guys, dinala siguro dito guys sa totoo lang yung mga gamit dahil ang dami dito. Super things here guys. Look. Oh my gosh. Puno dito guys. Alam nyo? Maraming gamit dito sa Batbatini na to. So, matalino rin sila no? Saya rin guys. Itong paborito ko panglaba guys. Yung Ariel, ito yung paborito ko. Tapos nandito yung mga sapatos guys. Kung gusto pa rin ninyo, huwag kayong mag-alala. Safe tayo dito. Safe tayo, safe. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo, oh my gosh. Oh, magsha-shopping pa kayo guys. Oh, still ha, Batini here. Okay guys. Mga damit, mga sapatos. Ayan guys, still safe. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung asawa ko, hinahanap. Dito tayo guys. Tingin tayo dito. Safe guys yung Batini. Happy, happy guys. So everyone is happy. Me too, I'm happy. Ang mga masala dito guys. Dinala siguro dito guys yung mga gamit sa totoo lang. Siguro dinala dito ng madaling araw o gabi guys. Kasi dito ng pinakamarami oh. So hindi pa rin lost actually guys. Pero lost yung ano ba guys, yung mga doon sa Batbatini ang daming na lost din guys. Oh. Laki ang Batbatini dito guys, maluwang oh. Ooh. Olive oil oh. Maluwang dito oh. Yung ano lang guys, yung ano dito sa Batbatini na to ay yung glass lang doon oh, inaayos. Yun lang guys, wala nang iba. Pero ano, safe talaga dito guys. Ang maganda ng mangga guys oh. Safe tayo, safe, safe. Ay, mayroon pa ring Batbatini. I'm still happy guys that there's still Batbatini to shop guys. So, tingnan mo, maluwang kasi ito dito guys. Oh, very nice guys. Oh, I really love Batbatini to shop because Batbatini guys is the very cheap things here guys. You can buy the most cheapest things here in Batbatini guys. I tell you 100% this is very cheap to shop in Batbatini guys. Ayan na guys oh, mga appliances. So alam nyo guys, sa totoo lang siguro dito in-stock yung iba eh bago mag-ano guys ng bago mag-ano ba guys ano ba to kinabukasan bago mag-ano ng ano rally guys, dito binagsak lahat yung mga gamit. Siguro binagsak dito nung gabi or mga madaling araw guys. Mga tao, mga tulog binagsak dito guys. Kasi tingnan mo, magaganda pa dito guys oh. Mo, nandito lahat ng gamit. You name it guys, nandito lahat oh. Wow! Ano, I'm very happy guys na may na-survive na Batbatini dito guys oh. Talaga sa totoo lang guys, may naka ano talaga oh. Dito talaga lahat guys. Survivor. Survivor guys dito sa Batbatini. Kung makikita nyo guys, very survivor. Tingnan nyo. Sabi ko guys, survive tayo dito eh. Jimalin, mga Pilipina, mayroon pa tayong Batbatini guys. Punta lang kayo dito sa Kalangki, Kalangki guys. Alam nyo, sa Taripo, ano to, Kalangki. Basta guys, ang daming gamit dito. Ang dami guys, ang dami. Very survivor. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan guys yung asawa ko. Gusto ko bumili ng liquid actually. Mga kape dito. Okay guys. Batbatini, hindi nasira. Ang dami namin dito. Counter. Yan guys, nandito ako sa Batbatini nag-shopping. Kasi hindi dito nasira guys. Kaunti lang ang nasira dito guys. Yung mga sisa doon sa taas. Jump. So yan, kaunti lang nasira dito guys. So I'm so happy. May Batbatini pa rin. Because this is the cheapest mall in Nepal guys. Batbatini. Okay guys. Bye bye guys. Ang daming nagsha-shopping dito guys. Akala ninyo. Diba? Bye bye guys. Ang daming tao. Doon inaayos lang sa taas guys. Oh. Yun lang oh. Safe. Dia raisa yata. Yata kaldo bo yo rai. Ha?
चला छैन तोडफोड
ओ होइन तोडफोड मात्रै तोडफोड गर्नु मात्रै गाइस हो ल जाउँ जाउँ